Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to convert handwritten text into the digital copy using the Google Lens. And trust me, this feature by the Google is very useful for the students, for the professionals, for the homemaker, because this feature allow you to copy and paste your handwritten notes or text and convert into the digital copy. So now using the digital lens feature, you can detect and identify the letters from the handwritten text, convert them into the digital version, and you can also send it to your PC or computer without making any extra effort. So obviously it's a fantastic feature. This useful feature can be used either by using the Google app, which is there in every Android smartphone, or dedicatedly you can download it from the Play Store. So if you are a student and you want to convert your notes into the digital copy, or you simply want to convert the handwritten grocery list your mother has handed over just to you, you can follow the step-by-step guide how to do this task, and it is extremely very useful and handy for everyone. Before proceeding with the steps, you need to remember that if you want to transfer the handwritten text into your PC, then both the Google Chrome browser on your PC and the Google account in your phone, it should be same. Okay, and also make sure that you have downloaded the latest version of Google app or Google Lens from the Play Store, because this is the latest feature, and every time when the Google update this app, they add some new feature with that. Okay, now I will explain you the steps how to do this. Okay, and also I will give you the live demo how to perform this task on your computer as well as on your mobile phone. So I request you to watch this video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, I request you to subscribe our channel as well. And if you find this video interesting, please like and share this video. So first, open the Google app on your smartphone, then tap on the update button from the bottom ribbon, and then tap on the Google Lens icon, which is placed just left side of the microphone icon, and then you need to aim the camera on the portion where you have written your text. Okay, and then click a picture. After that, just you can tap on the text and select the text you want to copy. Once you are done, once you have selected the entire text, then you can look for the different options below. To copy it into your computer, just click on the button called copy to computer and tap on it. Okay, after that, choose the computer from the list. If you have logged in into the more than one computer, then it will show more than one device, else it will show only one device. Once you have done, then you will get a message that the text has been shared. Now I will take you to the mobile phone and I will show you how to do the entire procedure step-by-step process. So let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Well, to copy the handwritten text into your computer using the mobile phone, you need to open the Google Lens. For that, there are two options. One is using the Google button you can see on the screen. You need to click on this. Okay, and here the second option after discovery is update. Click on this button. Now the second button is Google Lens. Just to the left of the microphone button on the bottom you can see. Just click on the Google Lens. Okay, and you need to focus the camera on the text which you have written. Okay, so now you can see I have written few text on the copy. Automatically it will select it. Okay, you just need to click a picture. Okay, after that, once you have clicked the picture, you need to select the text. So I have selected the entire text. Now you have an option here: copy text, copy to the computer, listen, translate, and search. Okay, if you click on the listen button, you can listen the text which you have selected. Okay, it will speak everything. Now here, if you want to use it in your mobile phone, just click on the first button, that is a copy text, and you can just long press somewhere and you can paste it. Okay, and if you want to copy it into your computer, say Word document, for that you need to select the copy to computer button. Here you need to make sure that you should logged in with the same user account, Google user account, in which you have logged in with the mobile phone. So here I have logged in with the email account. The same login account is to be opened on the Chrome browser. Okay, that thing you need to make sure. Click on the copy to computer. Automatically it will show you the number of devices where you have connected. If you have used the Google account for the multiple device, then it will show the multiple device here. So now it's showing me the laptop option here. I will click on this and you get the message, text copied to laptop. Okay, so that was the part of phone. Now I will take you to the computer screen, how you can copy the text from the Chrome browser to your Word document. So automatically, once you have done this procedure, your copied text will be copied to the clipboard of the computer. Okay, so we'll go to the computer screen directly to use it. Now to use the handwritten text that is copied from your mobile phone into your computer, you need to use any word processing document. So I will open a Word document. Okay, now I will double click on it, and simply when you will paste it, you see all the text has been copied from the handwritten text. You need not to do anything here. Okay, so this is the way how you can copy the entire text either in a handwritten format or a text placed on any image. You can copy it and you can use it into your computer for the several purpose, say for example making the digital note or to send the grocery list online, etc, etc. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.